And welcome to this brand new module inside of our course. In this module, we're going to be focusing towards creating the last part of our application, which is going to be our users page. Our users page is going to allow us to search for users that are registered inside of Firebase and are part of our application. And from there, actually have the logic associated with it to actually start a chat with them. And we'll have the ability to search users by name using the search bar. And we'll have the ability to either chat with an individual user, or if we select multiple users, then we can create a group chat in between all of us. So with that said, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll begin the process of actually creating our users page. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.